Ever dreamt of a place where every turn reveals a vista more stunning than last? Well, you've found it. Welcome back, or welcome if you're new, to the final part of my Bukidnon Itinerary series, where I unveil 3 unforgettable spots you can't miss. Miss the first 2? No worries, catch up right here. Trust me, you'll want the full story. Stick with me through this final leg, because at the end, I'm sharing the full cost breakdown plus 6 Bukidnon essential travel tips. You ready? Then hit like, ring the bell, subscribe, and join me on our next journey. Let's dive in. 4 a.m. A velvet darkness still hugged the world, but inside, a different kind of dawn was breaking. Pure, unadulterated excitement. Bags packed, goodbyes exchanged. This one was bittersweet. And just like that, the road whispered again. First stop, the legendary Communal Ranch. But here's the thing about Bukidnon's most precious gems. They don't just roll out on the red carpet. This one, it demands a bit more grit. The main roads faded, revealing the raw beauty of Communal Ranch, best reached by those who truly know the way. We connected with local motorbike drivers, our guides for the day, who not only navigate these terrains but also offer a tour through Roty Peaks and Lover's Lane, a perfect package. And then Communal Ranch. The timing was perfect. The sun, now fully risen, kissed the landscape, and the early hour meant we had its vastness almost to ourselves. It felt sacred, like stepping into a dream woven from mist and mountain air, a place untouched by the rush of the world. And in that quiet, a silent prayer, may this beauty remain pure and wild for generations. To capture its soul from above, we met Aboy, a local offering drone perspectives. He gifted me 3 aerial views that, honestly, a perspective earthbound eyes could only imagine. With the magnificent beauty of Communal Ranch imprinted in our hearts and our fantastic local guides ready, it was time to chase the next horizon. Destination, the much-anticipated Roty Peaks. The path to Roty Peaks was a tapestry of stunning vistas. Honestly, we had to stop at least 3 times. Each view is so captivating that you can't miss it. Right after paying the entrance fee, we went for the free coffee and their signature binaki. Warm, sweet, and perfectly soft. Easily the best I've ever had. And the brewed coffee, just as good. Roty Peaks itself, a symphony of heights and horizons. The air felt different here, charged with the thrill of freedom. Guess who we bumped into again? Aboy. We were just meeting to get the Communal Ranch drone files, but one look at this place and we knew. Another drone shot. He worked his magic again, even throwing in a couple of extra clips. If this view speaks to you, then like and subscribe to keep exploring with me. Your support means a lot. Our adventure continued, winding towards a place with a name that hums with history and a touch of romance, Lover's Lane, right here in Impasugong. It's more than just a pretty path and a viewing deck. It's a story whispered on the breeze. Legend has it, this lane earned its name from a time gone by. Soldiers stationed at the nearby garrison would walk this very route, their hearts leading them to meet their sweethearts in town. Close your eyes, and you can almost feel the echoes of their hopeful footsteps, the anticipation hanging in the air. With memories of Lover's Lane captured, we met back at my friend's car. Time to settle up with Kuya Ham and Alex, our incredible navigators through Bukidnon's rugged heart. And let me tell you, those roads, they were no Sunday drive. For navigating that terrain and sharing the local knowledge, the 1,000 peso tour fee felt fair. A tip? Well, that's always up to you, but for us, it felt more than earned. Famished and buzzing from the day's adventures, we had one last mission before the journey back to Cagayan de Oro, lunch. On Kuya Ham's stellar recommendation, we found ourselves at Quadra Roadside Cafe, a perfect, rustic haven for a late and well-deserved feast. And that, my friends, wraps up an incredible day 3. But it's just a slice of what Bukidnon offers. What's truly exciting for future travelers? News is buzzing about the new Bukidnon Airport, potentially operational by 2026. Imagine how much easier it will be to access these magnificent landscapes then. Alright, you've seen the adventure. Let's talk numbers. Here's a breakdown of what my Bukidnon adventure cost. Keep in mind, this doesn't include accommodation, as we were lucky to stay with a friend. Also, breakfast, driver tips, and car accessible spots aren't factored into these daily totals for my expenses. Day 1. Day 2. Day 3. Now, it's time for the practical magic. As promised, here are my top 6 Bukidnon essential travel tips to make your journey smoother, safer, and even more amazing. Pay attention to these, especially if you're planning to hit those off the beaten path spots. First up, getting around if you're in a group. Consider a 4x4. Solo or a small crew, habal-habal is your adventurous best friend. Timing is everything. For the best weather, don't forget your feet. You'll be doing a lot of exploring. cash is king in the countryside. And finally, don't get lost in paradise without a guide. "3 days, 2 nights. Just enough to fall head over heels for Bukidnon, but nowhere near enough to uncover all its secrets. There's a wild, beautiful heart beating in these highlands, and so many more stories waiting to be found. I know someday I'll be back to explore those untrodden paths. Until that day, I hope this journey has sparked a little bit of adventure in you. Keep exploring, keep dreaming, and never ever stop seeking the magic that lies just beyond your comfort zone. And hey, if you loved Bukidnon, you won't want to miss what's next. My Suitcase has brought me to another place in northern Mindanao, the land of towering waterfalls and untamed wonder. Make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell so you're first to see it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next adventure. Bye!